The difference between simple interest and compound interest is that the interest is not added to your account until the end of the maturity date for simple interest. For compound interest, interest is deposited into your account in a predetermined amount of intervals. And this is called compound when interest is added. We have a different formula. The formula is A equals P times 1 plus R divided by K, raised to the K times T power. Now the new variable that we're introducing is K. This is the number of compounds per year. So if the account is compounded annually, K would equal 1 because it's compounded once over a course of a year. Compounded semi-annually, K would equal 2. Compounded quarterly, there's 4 quarters in a year, so K equals 4. Compounded monthly, K equals 12, and so on. Compounded daily, 360. So again, we have our example. They give us the numbers. We're plugging our numbers into the formula and finding our answer. So to begin with, I've got the same example. Only this time it says that we are compounding quarterly. That tells us that K equals 4. So we're going to plug our values into our formula. Our principal, we start out with 5,000. The rate is 0.08, and we're dividing this by 4, K equals 4. And then that's raised to the 4 times 20. And now we'll simplify. 0.08 divided by 4 is 0.02, and 4 times 20 is 80. So what we're doing is we are raising 1.02 to the 80th power. And this gives us 4.875. I'm going to include all of my decimal places. 43916. It's important not to round until you get to your final answer. Because if you round in the middle of your process, then your final answer is going to be a few cents, maybe a few dollars off. And then when we multiply by 5,000, this gives us $24,377.20 rounded off to the nearest cent. And when you compare that to the simple interest, we're making a good $11,000 more just by allowing our interest to be compounded instead of it being simple.